Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Parenthesis 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 3 into parenthesis 5 plus 2. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have two parentheses here and one division. So according to the rule, first we solve parentheses. So inside of the parentheses 5 plus 2 they give us 7, and here you know multiplication, so multiply by 3 divide by 3, and you know also here multiplication, and inside of the parenthesis 5 plus 2 they give us 7. So now we have one multiplication here and one here and one division. So multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side first we solve multiplication, then we solve division, and again we solve multiplication or division. So the equation become, first we solve multiplication, so 7 times 3 they give us 21 divided by 3 multiply by 7. Now again we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division, so first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. So 21 divided by 3 they give us 7 multiply by 7, and 7 times 7 they give us 49. So the final answer is 49. Thanks for watching.